Hello children, how are you? So today we are going to start our second lesson in English, the nuclear test. Children, do you enjoy your grandparents' company? Do your grandparents stay with you or they stay in the villages? In olden days, almost all people used to live in a joint family. Like parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, everybody used to live in one single family. Staying in a big family give us security, give us more love, care and protection. We love our grandparents' company. So in this lesson, the nuclear test, this is a lesson about Anjali. In this story, Anjali's character, how she behaves when her grandparents will come, and how she changes staying with them, we learn everything in this lesson, the nuclear test. So let's start the first paragraph. Amma, why are you removing all my things from the cupboard? Anjali asked in a voice which sounded like she was ready to fight. Here, Anjali was asking her mother that why she is removing her clothes from the cupboard. Anjali was having a separate cupboard in the room and Amma was removing her clothes from the cupboard. You already know Anjali, Dada and Dadi are going to need some place for keeping their things. Her mother replied firmly. Anjali's mother was saying that your grandparents are going to come to stay with us, so they need some place to keep their things. So I am removing your things from the cupboard so that your grandparents can keep their things in the cupboard. But Ma, where will my things go? This has been my room since I was a baby. Why should I give up everything just because Dada and Dadi are coming to live with us? Cried Anjali. Anjali was angry and she was shouting that where my things will go, where should I keep my things? This is my room. Because Dada and Dadi are coming, I will not give my room to anybody. This is my room and I will be staying here only. Come on, Anju. Anju is the pet name of Anjali. You are not going to give up everything. You are only going to sleep on the couch in the hall instead of in this room. And your things can be accommodated elsewhere, replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling rather exasperated with the daughter's endless objections. Anjali's mother very politely and sweetly she answers to Anjali that you are not giving up everything. You are just going to sleep on the couch. Couch means sofa in the hall instead of this room. Your things means her clothes, everything can be kept somewhere else, replied her mother, trying to be sensitive but feeling irritated with her daughter's endless objections. This is how it had been ever since Anjali had been told that her grandparents would be living with them from now on. They had recently sold off all their land in the little village where they had been lived most of their life. Dada was nudging 70 now and was too old to be able to run the farm all by himself. He had promised he would not leave his beloved land till he dies, but he was finding it more and more difficult to live there alone. Children, Anjali's grandfather was nudging 70, means 70 years old, and it was very difficult for him to look after the field, the land in the village. So he sold all the land what he was having in the village and thought to come to Anjali's father house, means to Pune, where his elder son used to stay. All his children had migrated to the cities. Two of Anjali's Chachajis were abroad. Only Papa lived in Pune, while Rita Bua was in Delhi. Dada had been persuaded by Anjali's father to come and live with them. Papa wanted all of them to be together as a joint family. He could then take care of his aging parents. Dada never wanted to come from the village, but it was difficult for him to stay there. He was too old. So Anjali's father advised him to come and stay with them in Pune. Anjali's two of his chachajis means uncle, they shifted to abroad. They have migrated to abroad. They are staying in the foreign countries. And one of his bua means auntie, she used to stay in Delhi. So Anjali's father advised them to come and stay with them in Pune so that he can take good care of the aging parents. Of course, Anjali enjoyed meeting her grandparents during her holidays, but that did not mean she was going to be happy giving up her room for them. Anjali was an only child. Never in her life had she liked sharing anything, and she wasn't ready to change now. During holidays, Anjali liked to go to village to meet their grandparents, but she don't want her grandparents to come and stay because she don't want to share her room with them. She don't want to give her room. See children, if you are having your brothers and sisters in your family, so whatever things you bring, you will share that things or chocolates or whatever it is with your brothers and sister. Anjali was the only daughter of their parents, so she was not having any habit of sharing anything with anybody. Now she was not ready to change also. And so it was that when her grandparents came, Anjali was her fussy, irritating, and brattish worst. She made a big hue and cry over how she had lost her room. When she wasn't making rude comments, she would not talk much and pretended to be glued to her favorite program on the TV. She was not very polite and complained, though not directly, for she was afraid of her father's wrath. Finally, when her grandparents came, Anjali was her fussy, means difficult to please her. She was not happy. She was showing that she is very angry and she was behaving very badly, like a very bad girl. She was not respecting them and she was not polite also with them. Whenever the grandparents were talking with her, she used to pretend that she is very busy in watching her favorite program on the TV. Though she was not busy, but she was pretending. Why? Because she don't wanted to talk with her grandparents. She was not polite with them, but she never complained because she was afraid of her father's anger. It was true, having grandparents living with them needed adjusting to a new routine. They were used to a different way of life. They woke up much before anyone else did, and that made things awkward. Dadi was forever doing some puja or the other, and if there was objections to onions in the food, one day it was eggs the next. They would not go with them to eat out in restaurants. They would not watch movies in the theatres. They would not enjoy shopping just for fun. They thought strap dresses were too foreign and short skirts totally avoidable. Pop music was noise and ice creams were not good for health. Yes, it is natural. Whenever our grandparents come to our house, they should adjust with us and we should also adjust with them. Their way of living is different than ours. In the villages, they always get up early, maybe by 4:30 to 5. But in the city, it is not possible. So here, grandmother was always getting up early and doing pujas. They are old people, so they will not eat everything what we like. So there was always an objection one day for onions not to put in the curry, or the other day will be the eggs, that they will not have eggs. They won't go to the restaurants to eat because they don't like. They like to have only house made food. But we like to go outside. But they used to always object, there's the food made in the house is good and healthy. They don't like to go to the theaters to watch movie. They won't go for shopping also. They don't like to do shopping. Pop music was a loud noise for our grandparents. We like pop music very much, but they like to listen only Bhakti Gite. So that is the generation gap. Their way of thinking is different. Our way of thinking is different. We like pop music. They like silent music. In everybody's house it is common. And grandparents used to think that ice creams are not good for health. Do you agree, children? Ice creams are not good for health? No, we like ice creams to eat. The next paragraph. The one thing they did share was an addiction to television. But the programs they watched put Anjali to sleep. Anjali felt as if she had suddenly been imprisoned. The house, all 850 feet of compact space planning, suddenly looked too small. But one thing was common in everybody: watching TV. Even grandparents, means grandmother and grandfather, were addicted to watch television serials. But the serials what they watch, it made Anjali to sleep because they like to see all the family serials and crying serials or the God related serials. But Anjali used to like to watch cartoon serials or Chota Bheem, this type of things she used to like to watch in the TV. But grandfathers don't like to watch cartoons. So suddenly she felt that she was kept in the cage, in the jail, because she was not able to do what she liked. She started to feel that the big house, their own house, it has become small. See children, when any guest come to our house and if there are so many members in the house, we feel the house is full and we feel that the house is too small for everybody. But if we are only 2 or 3 members in the house, the small house also looks very big because the members are less. So she too felt that because the grandparents had come to their house, the members had increased. She started to feel that the house is too small. Our grandparents, parents, and this generation is totally different. Everybody's way of thinking is different. The grandparents like to get up early, do the all work. They are very hardworking people. Our father's generation, they work. Limited they will be working. How much it is necessary they will be working. And your generation, small children, they just take it for easy. So everybody has to adjust with each other. Their grandparents, they don't like that children should wear the western dresses. They like to be in a traditional wear. You will be wearing toed jeans. It is a fashion. Short skirts. But they like everybody should be in a traditional wear. So that is their way of thinking. So we have to respect their thinking and they too will be adjusting with us. So now we should see what Anjali will do. Will she adjust with her grandparents or she will make a big issue of that, or she will be getting scolding from her father? This all we will be seeing in the next video. Thank you.